milestone. Then on the filing and acceptance, we have one milestone. Then probably on approval, we have a bigger milestone. And then on a launch.
So this $10 million is the cumulative milestone fees that we will receive over a period of time, or is this the upfront fee that we will receive?
No, it's not upfront fee. It's a cumulative fee.
Okay. And sir, when will the actual commercial sales, when will they start exactly? So when will they contribute to the revenue?
Their actual sales will start mostly if they file it in this quarter. Normally it's NDA filing, so their approval will get in 10 months. So even if you take 12 months approval timeline, because this already they have done enough discussions with the FDA, so probably they will be more confident of getting the products max in a 1 year approval. Once that is done, then before that we have to start the commercial supplies, because after getting the approval, they will not wait for the supply. So before getting the approvals, probably we need to manufacture, give them the enough supply in the market. So the supply will start from next year for sure.
Next year, okay.
Next year, first quarter onward, it will start.
Okay, understood. And sir, you mentioned that. Sorry?
Our financial year, I was mentioning, not their financial year.
Correct.
Yeah.
And sir, you mentioned that the current agreement is of 4 years. So is this agreement extendable to, let's say, next few years once the initial agreement tenure is over, or is this only for 4 years as of now?
No, it's a 4 years plus automatically renewal for 4 years, provided with some riders that we depends on what we need to perform, what they have to do it. I think with that, but totally it is 4 years plus another 4 years.
Okay. And so what would be the tenure of the new drug application that Unicycive will file? So is it 5 years or is it more? I'm just trying to understand the runway that is available for us.
So it is definitely it is more than that 5 years.
Okay.
Because now they have 20 years. I think it will be not less than 10 years or 12 years for sure.
Okay.
But I'm not knowing exactly, frankly. But I think once it is an NC molecule, so you can understand they have enough runway.
Correct. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. That's all from me.
Thanks. Bye.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Deepak Sharma, who is an investor. Please go ahead.
Hello.
Yeah.
Sir, thanks for the opportunity and congrats for the achievement. Can you please put some color on the EBITDA margin in this molecule?
It's an NC molecule, so I think, and we are the exclusive supplier for them. So we have enough, like CDMO margin, like we have the margins in this. That much we can tell you. Above 50.
Above 50? 50?
Yeah.
Okay. And please, you are talking about the 4 years contract. So the numbers you have given there, 15 million tablets.
15 million is only for the till supply. We have to supply before December. It will go to multi-million later on every year.
So the total
initial signing they are given it.
Okay, so the total revenue which we are expecting, there is $10 million for the 4 years, right?
No. 10 million is only licensing, and the sales volume and that figures are different than this.
Okay.
The 10 million is only licensing fee.
Okay, licensing. Okay.
Which will be completed before the launch. So after that, there is a sales revenue.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Neha Kharodia from Abacus EMS. Please go ahead.
Yeah, hi. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Please go ahead.
Yeah. Good morning, and thanks for the opportunity. So I just wanted to understand, how big the revenue generator can this project be for Shilpa?
It is a multi-million, but I think today projecting for the next year, we have some indications from them, but currently telling will be difficult. But it's a substantial revenue for Shilpa. That much we can tell you.
Okay. Can we quantify it in some way?
No, currently I cannot do that, but it's a substantial revenue. That much I can tell you.
Okay. And sir, when you mentioned that the Capex will be funded by the innovators, so is it like totally the Capex amount is that we are expecting for the project?
Totally, almost they are giving around $6.5 million.
And that will be the total Capex done, or like we also will have to do some of the Capex?
No. We are not doing. This is for one dedicated block we are putting it, only for that.
Okay. And sir, in terms of asset this project?
Asset turnover is I think around 1 year back.
Yeah. So Neha, I think you are asking the same question, in a roundabout manner. When you talk about the revenue potential and all, I think Mr. Butada has already indicated that we may not be able to provide or quantify the amount exactly. I think we'll have to, you'll just need to wait and see how it progresses. Yeah.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Sanjay Kumar from iThought PMS. Please go ahead.
Yeah, hi. Thanks for the opportunity. First on, so in the previous question you had said that they're providing 6.5 million for the Capex. Over and above that, we'll be receiving 10 million in license payments. This, I believe, will be spread over 5 years, according to Unisys's annual report. Is that right?
No. It is once it is before the approval, once the approval of NDA, almost 90% will come. Once it is launched, maybe 1 million. That's all. So okay. Once it is approved, then before that 9 million will come to us.
Oh, okay. So, and once this milestone is licensing is done, do we have any milestone based on sales, or will it only be sales-related revenue that we'll be getting?
No, only sales related. Then the milestone doesn't come into the picture, no, because an actual sale starts.
Okay, so on that sales, we are saying we'll be doing 50% EBITDA margin.
It's tentative.
Okay, sir. And second, in our PPT, we have mentioned that we have 3 NDA filings, of which 2 is already approved. The third one was mentioned as pending. Is this the pending NDA that we were talking about?
No.
Or is it something?
It's a different one.
Okay, that's still in pipeline.
Yeah, that's different.
Okay, so that's it from my side. Thank you.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Girish Bakru from OrbiMed. Please go ahead.
Yeah, just a clarification. Actually, you say this is a new product. Is it NCE? I'm just trying to clarify. Once approved, will it have NCE exclusivity?
Yes.
So for 5 years, like any other product, because Fosrenol being lanthanum also, is there a certainty the FDA will approve another oxylanthanum as an NCE, or it will be just approved as a new product?
NCE.
Okay. And just on the 4-year contract, can you give color on how pricing generally typically moves in such kind of a contract?
Pricing will be a different difficult for me. But it's, as you mentioned, right, the NCE molecule has a good, very advantageous product they are launching into the market. They are pricing opportunities, and they are also very good company. They are also giving enough money.
But in case their acceptance in the market is low, they are allowed to, of course, negotiate with you for lower pricing, right?
Girish, I think some of these things, are commercially very, very sensitive matters. We wouldn't be in a position to, talk about it in advance. So kindly pardon us.
Sure. No worries. And just if you could give indication, are there any committed volumes under the contract?
As of the 20 million, currently they are giving the binding purchase order. That's we have it currently.
Okay.
And of course, when they launch it, they will give. Once they are getting it near to approval, the more and more binding orders will come.
Sure. Thank you so much.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Harsh Bhatia from Bandhan AMC. Please go ahead.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Good morning. Just two quick questions. One, sir, on this 4 plus 4 year timeline of the manufacturing agreement, should we assume that for the first 4 years, we will be the exclusive suppliers because the binding agreement is for the first year? So should we assume that exclusivity is for the entire 4-year period? I'm just trying to clarify, maybe repetitive.
Yes. It's for 4 years exclusively.
Okay. And last clarification, this manufacturing agreement is a global manufacturing agreement rather than only US manufacturing agreement, right? This will be a global manufacturing agreement.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Congratulations. Thank you.
Thank you. A reminder to all participants, ladies and gentlemen, you may press star and 1 to ask a question. The next question is from the line of Srihari from PCS Securities. Please go ahead.
Yeah, thanks for the opportunity. Am I audible? Hello?
Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, so my question is, the innovator has another molecule, LDC, which is comparable, and that is also in phase 3 currently. I think it's pending FDA approval. So can you please throw some light on that?
This is LDC, same lanthanum deoxycarbonate.
That's right, yeah.
Oxylanthanum carbonate and lanthanum deoxycarbonate, both are same.
Both are similar.
Yeah. So similar is that is the same. We call it as the OLC, you call it as a lanthanum deoxycarbonate.
Sorry to interrupt, Mr. Srihari. May I request you to use your handset, please? You are not clearly audible, sir.
Yes, and we have a lot of noise in your background.
Is it better now?
Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, so basically, based on what I've read, I mean, they've already done the filing for DC and the FDA had some queries.
Lanthanum deoxycarbonate you are talking, or which one you are talking?
I'm talking about LDC.
Lanthanum deoxycarbonate.
Lanthanum dioxycarbonate.
No, from FDA they must have taken the clarification, not the file.
So you need to say LDC and OLC are the same molecule?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Rahil Dasani from MAPL. Please go ahead.
Yeah, hi sir. So just to confirm about the client funding the new plant, you said the total spend would be 6.5 million, and that's what we are spending wholly on the plant, right? Nothing from our side.
Yeah.
And what would be the capacity of this in terms of tablets?
It's not tablet, it's a API plant. It's not for tablet development.
Okay. So, and if you can just share maybe in some terms of utilization as to how much would this plant suffice in terms of the supply? It would suffice for the next 2 years, for the next 1 year?
It will definitely suffice for the next 2-3 years.
Okay. And when is this unit commercializing?
Once we complete this, it is not that the existing supplies of API will do from our existing blocks. It is not that we are not stopping to wait for this getting this block ready. So this block will get ready in next 1 year.
Next one, yeah.
Here then
Okay.
will, as and when they feel that there will be increase in the volume, so they have given us saying that, you please put us the dedicated block for us. It will not hamper their deliveries. That is the reason why they are funding us for this dedicated block. So currently we are supplying from our, and this will take care of their supplies.
Got it. And the next question is, which other such projects are being done which are closer to commercialization stage or even have a significant potential in terms of the molecule?
I not understood your question.
Which other such projects like OLC are in the pipeline which are closer to commercialization stage or even have a significant potential in terms of the molecule?
Currently we are talking only on OLC today.
Got it. The last thing is I was again going through the clinical trial reports of Unicycil. The fosrenol, that I'm sorry to repeat, but the tablets required are again 3. Yes, the weightage and the surface area is higher, but the tablets required are 3. So maybe if not for this call, but for next call, if you can confirm this so that we can get a lot better idea on this.
I said it is 8.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks.
A reminder to all participants, you may press star and 1 to ask a question. As there are no further questions, I would now like to hand the conference over to the management for closing comments.
No, thanks for attending this conference with the short notice. And we are committed to deliver such complex molecules in the near future also. And Shilpa being especially working on to the such type of projects since last 4 or 5 years, and we'll continue to do that. That much we can say on this. Thanks for attending all.
Thank you all.
Thank you. On behalf of Shilpa Medicare Limited, that concludes this conference. Thank you for joining us, and you may now disconnect your lines.
Thank you.